Today, I am reviewing the Logitech MX Keys S Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. This is not your average keyboard and mouse combo. The MX Keys S Combo is a premium wireless productivity toolset that brings together precision engineering, customizable features, and multi-platform compatibility into one sleek and highly functional package. Let's start with the keyboard, the MX Keys S. Right out of the box, it feels premium. The keys are spherically dished, meaning they gently contour to your fingertips. This design creates a natural typing posture and an extremely comfortable experience, even over long hours. The feedback is quiet, fluid, and fast, mimicking the feel of high-end laptop keyboards, but with more stability and better ergonomics. But this keyboard isn't just about feel, it's also smart. The backlit keys automatically illuminate when your hands approach and adjust brightness depending on the lighting conditions in your room. Whether you're working in daylight or pulling an all-nighter, the MX Keys S adapts to you. And through the Logi Options Plus software, you can customize the lighting, assign function keys, and even create smart actions, macros that perform multiple tasks with just one keystroke. Imagine automating a series of work steps, like launching apps or typing a common message, all with a single press. It's productivity on another level. Now let's talk about the MX Master 3S mouse, which completes the combo. This is one of Logitech's most celebrated mice for good reason. It's ergonomically sculpted to fit your hand naturally, reducing strain on your wrist and fingers. The MagSpeed scroll wheel is nothing short of amazing. It can scroll through 1,000 lines per second, and it's not just fast, it's precise and silent. You can switch from a click-to-click mode for precise line-by-line navigation to hyper-fast scrolling with zero resistance. It's ideal for long documents, timelines, or large spreadsheets. Under the hood, the MX Master 3S features an 8K DPI optical sensor that tracks on virtually any surface, even glass. So whether you're working on a desk, a counter, or your favorite cafe table, this mouse delivers smooth and accurate tracking every time. Both the keyboard and mouse are fully rechargeable, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. A full charge can last weeks, and even a quick charge gives you hours of use. That's convenience and sustainability in one. This combo is also built for multi-device productivity. You can pair the MX Keys S and the MX Master 3S with up to 3 devices at once, across Windows, Mac, Linux, and even Chrome OS. Switch between them seamlessly with the press of a button. Whether you're working across a desktop, a laptop, or a tablet, you stay in control with no interruptions. What's more, this combo supports Bluetooth Low Energy and comes with a Logi Bolt USB receiver for a strong, secure, and lag-free wireless connection. It's perfect for office environments, remote work, or multi-screen setups at home. And yes, Logitech has kept sustainability in mind too. Both the keyboard and the mouse include certified post-consumer recycled plastic, up to 27% for the mouse and 26% for the keyboard in a graphite color. With a 4.6-star rating and glowing reviews from hundreds of users, the MX Keys S Combo ranks among the top in computer keyboard and mouse combos, and it's easy to see why. From hardware quality to smart software integrations, it's designed to support deep focus, creative workflows, and ergonomic comfort. In summary, the Logitech MX Keys S Combo is more than just a keyboard and mouse. It's a smart, seamless, and high-performance ecosystem designed to elevate your daily workflow. If you value quality, comfort, and control, this is one of the best wireless productivity tools available in 2025.